Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn how to say I am in Hindi. Now friends, I am helps us in sharing information about ourselves with others. I is a first person pronoun and am is present tense of to be. The format of using I am in English is subject, verb and object. For example, I am Rani. So I am the subject, am is the verb and Rani is the object. Now the Hindi equivalent of I am is मैं हूँ, but the format of writing changes completely. It is subject followed by object and then the verb. Subject is I, it becomes मैं. Verb is am, which becomes हूँ and comes at the end. And in between the मैं and the who, that is subject and the verb, we write the object, which could be our name, nationality, feelings, profession, etc. Let's understand this with the help of an example. I am Rani becomes मैं रानी हूँ. I'm Indian becomes मैं भारतीय हूँ. I'm happy becomes मैं प्रसन्न हूँ. I am a player. मैं एक खिलाड़ी हूँ. A becomes एक. So friends, let's understand this further with the help of a few more examples. Now this is Radha. She says, I'm Radha. मैं राधा हूँ. So here she's telling her name. I'm a student. मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ. So here she's telling what she does. She's a student. मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ. I'm Indian. Now here she's sharing her nationality. मैं भारतीय हूँ. मैं भारतीय हूँ. I'm a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. So girl is लड़की and a becomes एक. I'm a girl. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. So you see, all the words which describe or share information about Radha come between मैं and who. In English, I and am, and in between, we share the information about her. Let's understand with another example. I'm Sid. I'm a man. I'm American. I'm excited. I'm a judge. That means मैं Sid हूँ. Here he's sharing his name. I'm a man. मैं एक आदमी हूँ. A becomes एक and man is आदमी. मैं एक आदमी हूँ. So he's talking about his gender. I'm American. मैं अमेरिकी हूँ. That's his nationality. I'm excited. मैं उत्साहित हूँ. So he's sharing his feelings. I'm a judge. मैं एक न्यायाधीश हूँ. So he's talking about his profession. Then let's take another example. I'm Seema. मैं सीमा हूँ. I'm a woman. मैं एक औरत हूँ. I'm a doctor. मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ. Now let's look at a few more sentences which help us in describing a little bit about ourselves. I am strong. मैं ताकतवर हूँ. I am sick. मैं बीमार हूँ. I am happy. मैं प्रसन्न हूँ. I am sad. मैं दुखी हूँ. I am angry. मैं गुस्सा हूँ. I am excited. मैं उत्साहित हूँ. And now it's your turn. So first you will share your name. So tell your name by saying मैं comes your name हूँ. Say मैं अभिलाषा हूँ. So just put in your name and say मैं your name हूँ. Well done. Now we'll share our nationality. मैं dash हूँ. मैं इंडियन भारतीय हूँ. मैं यूरोपीय हूँ. मैं अमेरिकी हूँ. Okay? Then comes what do you do? If you're a student, you're a teacher, you are an engineer, you're a doctor, lawyer, professor, whatever. मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ. मैं एक विद्यार्थी हूँ. If you're a student. मैं एक प्रोफेसर हूँ. If you are a professor. And then we share our feelings. मैं प्रसन्न हूँ. If you are happy. मैं दुखी हूँ. If you are sad. मैं उत्साहित हूँ. If you're excited. So friends, I hope you understood how I am when used in Hindi as मैं हूँ helps you share information about yourself with other people. Thank you so much for your time, friends. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.